Old
You
antique
got a
eagle design pocket watch.
It's a fine piece of jewelry. It's connected to a chain. It's a nice looking chain. You wanna know the time? Reach in for your pocket watch. Pull it out of your pocket. Look at the time. Now you know what time it is. Pocket watch. So fancy, so impressive. If you got a pocket watch, people think that you're rich and wonderful. Pocket watch. What a fine piece of jewelry. You got a watch in your pocket. Look at it, find out what time it is with your pocket watch. Such a fine invention. You don't wear it on your wrist. You just keep it in your pocket. You got a pocket watch.